someone whose hair is dandruff prone and cannot keep her hair for more than a week. This time around, I was able to keep my hair for 4 weeks. And this is how I was able to achieve it. Number one, I moisturize my hair once or twice a week. This reduces the production of dandruff on my scalp. And number two, I shampoo and condition my hair every week. And yes, with the braids on, all I need to do is to ensure that my hair is well dried before I pack it into a particular style, because we do not want to start smelling in the society. And the third most important thing is to oil my scalp after every wash day. I make sure to oil my scalp after every wash day and massage it very well. These three things keep my scalp from itching, keeps it from dandruff, and it gives my scalp a lot of room to breathe. So guys, now that I have the hack, you will be seeing me in a lot of braids. Period.